Okay, so now we're on to the Wagoneer with the AMC 360. Got some water running back there, off the snow off the hood. Got my redneck hood stand there. Actually, I don't know how this thing is going to do because that little ground wire that you see there screws onto the fender. I may have fried that. That little melted plate that you see right there, that caused that. I didn't really do anything about it that quick. All I know is I kept arcing it out, trying to start it with that bad battery. And came out here, it was smelling bad and it was smoking. Haven't said anything about it right quick. I just thought, well, I better do something about that. So, there's a penny. Now we're going to try it. Hope the hood don't fall down on me. Nice and cozy in here right now because the sun's been hitting it all day. This one's probably going to be harder to start, but not too awful hard, I hope. Damn, I got everything in the way now. Might be electrical smoke that you see there. Don't know where it's coming from. Well, there's a fine example of Jeep for you. Bet you now it won't start easy. Never mind. Damn it. Alright, well I got some kind of belt dragging on it. I can hear it squeaking, so we're done. Don't know what belt that is that's squeaking, but something sure is. So, now we're done with this. We move on to the Chevy.